Hi, welcome to this video. To use the TikTok Creative Center for keyword research, log in with the free business account, navigate to the inspiration tool, right? So I'm going to type inspiration, right? Head over to creative inspiration, right? Define keyword insights. Now, all you got to do is just type in your seed term or select your industry, right? So let's say apps, right? And then basically in the sort of results by click-through rate or CTR rather than raw popularity to identify high converting user phrasing. So you're gonna see this is what's popping now on TikTok in the apps industry, right? And make sure to choose for you page or what converts high CTR, right? Because CTR is important here, right? Because the CTR means that people watched your video and reached to the end when you called them or invited them to your website, your product, whatever. And the objective here, app installs, conversions, lead generation, you can narrow it down, traffic, video views, the likes, top 21% to 40%, the duration less than 10 seconds, 10, 20 seconds, it depends. And of course, you can choose that basically the time, right? Or basically the date here. So consider liking this video, subscribing, and check the analytics here for each video and see how they managed to make this video just trending, right? And you're gonna notice a pattern. So until next time, see you.